Hi, you're on Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max, and in this video I will show you how to enable, configure and disable a proxy if you need to use it in Opera browser. My Opera is updated and has an interface that is slightly different from the older version of Opera. If you haven't updated your browser, I recommend you to do that, because updated version has more functionality, capability and higher level of security. So, let's start setting up proxy. Open Opera browser on your computer. Firstly, I recommend you to clear all cache in order to remove temporary files that can interfere with operation of the browser with configured proxy. To do this, in the upper left corner, click on Settings. Scroll down to Clear Browsing Data. Click on it. In the window that opens, you can optionally select the period for clearing, the cache, and what you want to clear. Select for all time, and all checkboxes should be active. Click Clear Data. After clearing, you will be automatically redirected to Setup menu. If not, then on the top left corner, click on Menu and select Settings. Next, find System section in the Settings. You need to open your computer's proxy settings. Click on it. Browser will redirect you to proxy settings on your PC. You need section Manual Proxy Setup. As you can see, I have used a proxy server disabled now. Turn it on. After that, you have active field for entering IP and port of your proxy. Enter IP and port. But let me remind you that if you have free proxies, which you found in the public domain, then there is no guarantee that they will provide reliability. Therefore, I recommend purchasing a personal proxy, and for this, I recommend an excellent resource, Proxy-Seller.com. Personal proxies with 24/7 support are ideal for serious work and provide anonymity at the proper level. Now, when you have reliable proxy, enter IP and port, and after logging in through the Opera, you will be prompted for a username and password for your personal proxy, which you need to enter. But if you choose public proxy, then just enter IP and port without login and password. Below, check the box next to Do not use a proxy server for local addresses. Click Save. Close this window and return to Opera. Your proxy is configured and you can use it in the Opera browser. But if you need to disable the proxy, then repeat this procedure. In Opera, click on Menu, select Settings, then in the System section find Item, open your computer's proxy settings and switch. Use the proxy server from active to inactive. Proxy is disabled. If you still have questions about how to set up a proxy in Opera, there is an article on Proxy-Seller.com with the help of which you can also step-by-step set a proxy in Opera browser. I'll leave a link in the description. Subscribe to Proxy-Seller channel and click like. There are many more helpful tips ahead which will make your job easier. Bye.